Has it been a while since you've sold a home? Or maybe you're a military homeowner that needs to sell their home fast and for top dollar. Well, hi, I'm John Stevens with PCS Homes, and I'm here to invite you to a virtual home seller workshop that I'll be hosting, where I'm going to discuss the latest trends in our marketplace so you'll have the current data to make a decision, as well as let you know what we're doing following the CDC guidelines to sell your home safely and effectively. Now, there's a lot behind this. You may have heard by now, probably have heard, that we've got a very hot market. Well, while that's true, the problem is not every home is selling. So there's some tricks that we've learned over the years on how to get your home sold quickly. So I'm going to share with you some things that I've learned from top agents around the country, as well as my own experience and how I can get your home sold fast and for top dollar. So if you're interested, I would suggest that you register early. We only have room for 25 people on this call. At the end of this call, by the way, we will have a live question and answer session so you can get your questions answered. So if you're interested, please register early at the button below or call me at 315-489-9452. We'll see you then.